Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
In a TV interview, he had accepted what Congress was telling. What Congress was telling? That there is a corruption in everything what Goa government is dealing with. And that is not my words. That is the words of Satyapal Malik, who belongs to BJP, who was the governor of this state. And he had not stopped here. He said that I had informed PM Modi also about this. He had informed PM Modi that the current chief minister of the Goa, that is the Mr. Property Sawant. Mr. Property Sawant is involved in corruption. But Prime Minister, instead of removing the chief minister and his ministerial colleagues, he had transferred the governor. That is the reason we say, khoob khaunga or khoob khane dunga. That is the reason we say, double engine means the double engine of corruption. In a TV interview, Mr. Malik had made a very shocking revelation. And I will say I am surprised that there is a end point of this corruption. When the entire country was under lockdown, people were dying due to hunger. At that time, Goa government was doing corruption in giving the essential commodities to the people of that state. So what he is telling, that the Goa government had not allowed the stores to sell the basic essentials, but allowed one company to sell basic essential door to door, which had given money to Goa government. Which is that company, we want to ask. The Congress delegation went and informed the Honorable Governor of the state that the corruption, the rampant corruption is going on in the Goa. Then what he is saying, when the people from Congress told me about it, I informed Prime Minister Modi, but instead of removing a corrupt BJP government, he had transferred me. It implies that he is also involved in that corruption. Why Prime Minister is silent? When the Goa governor, ex-governor, is saying on television that he had informed the Prime Minister about the rampant corruption going on in Goa,